Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper's Buy Me a Coffee feed widget to your Blogger website. A Buy Me a Coffee feed widget lets you display your posts on your website so visitors can see your updates in one place. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Buy Me a Coffee in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Source tab, enter your Buy Me a Coffee username and click Search. After that, the widget will instantly fetch your posts. Next, go to the Template tab. Here, you can change the feed title and enable or disable it. In the Header section, you can enable or disable the header and control the header elements. In Layout type, you can try different layout styles. Then go to the Post tab. In Action and Pop-up, you can choose either Open Pop-up or Open Buy Me a Coffee. Next, open the Style tab. Here, you can try different theme presets. Once you're happy with the customization, click Update and then click Install Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your Blogger layout editor. Inside the editor, click on Add a Gadget in the sidebar and add HTML/JavaScript. Now give a title and then paste the installation code in the content. After that, save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.